Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the multiplication of binomial and trinomial. Okay. Yesterday we have learned the multiplication of binomial with binomial or binomial multiplication of binomial by binomial. Okay. Today next part of it, further part of it, that is multiplication of binomial and trinomial. Binomials means the algebraic expressions with two terms, and trinomial means algebraic expression with three terms, right? So see here, from exercise 5C, yesterday we have solved some examples, and remaining part we are going to see today, which is depend or based on the multiplication of binomial and trinomial. Okay, see here, example number 12. In bracket 2x plus 3 multiplied by in bracket 3x square minus x minus 2. So this is the binomial and this is the trinomial. The examples which we have solved yesterday, from that you would have come to know the process, method, how to multiply. Okay, so let's see, same method is here. Yesterday we have seen binomial by binomial. At that time here also there were two terms. Okay, same method is there, just one term will be increased. Okay, now see what to do. In the first bracket two terms are there, so by these two terms we have to multiply all the three terms of the second bracket. Okay, so now see, first term 2x multiplied by second bracket 3x square minus x minus 2. Then take second term of the first bracket, that is plus 3 multiplied by 3x square minus x minus 2. That is this bracket. Okay. Now multiply this bracket by the term which is outside. Okay. So now see, 2 3s are 6. Correct. X into x square x cube. Base are same and there is multiplication at that time, exponents get added. So x means x is to 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Then 2 into here, no any number means no any numerical coefficient means it has 1. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Correct. X into x square. Then 2 into minus 2, minus 4. And x as it is. Okay, so first bracket we have done. Come towards the second part. 3 into 3 3s are plus 9 x square. Then 3 1s are 3 but minus 3, plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 x. Then 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Okay, in this way we have evaluate the brackets. We have simplified the bracket. Now see, find out the like terms. If like terms are there, we can add them or subtract them. So see here, is there any term with x cube? Is there any term with x cube? No, there is no. That's why it will remain as it is. Minus 2x square and see plus 9x square. So instead of increasing one more step, this you can do directly here. So as I said, you try to do more calculation in mind mentally. So this, instead of taking together and what will happen, one step will increase. So instead of that, solve mentally. Minus 2x square and plus 9x square. What will be the answer? Plus 7x square. Correct? Because minus 2 and plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9. One is positive, one is negative. So there will be subtraction. 9 minus 2, 7. Greater number is 9. It has plus sign, so plus 7. Okay. Plus 7x square. Now see, minus 4x and minus 3x. These two are like terms. So both are negative. So there will be addition, and answer will be minus. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Minus 7. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7x. And only the constant is minus 6. So this will be your answer. 6x cube plus 7x square minus 7x minus 6. Okay. Then example number 16. Trinomial, and this is also trinomial. Multiplication of trinomial by trinomial. Same process is same. First take first term of the first bracket, multiply with the second bracket. Then second term of the first bracket, that is plus y into second bracket. Then take next term of the first bracket, multiply by second bracket. Okay. This we will shift. Now see, as usual, multiply this bracket by the term outside the bracket, x into 4x. So you have 4x square. Okay. Then x into minus 7y minus 7xy. X into 2 plus 2x. Okay. Plus y into 4x, 4xy. Y into minus 7y, minus 7y square. Okay, so y has coefficient 1, so 1 into minus 7, minus 7, and y into y square. Plus y into 2, 2y. Okay, then minus 3 into 4x, minus 3 into 4x. 3 4s are 12, minus 12 x. Minus into minus plus, 3 7s are 21 y. 21 y. Okay, then minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Okay. Now like terms. 4x square. Is there any term with x square? No. So 4x square, right, as it is. Minus 7xy, see, minus 7xy, 4xy, these are like terms. So minus 7 plus 4, what answer? Minus 3, correct? So minus 3xy. Then 2x, this 2x, 12x, they are like, no? Like terms. So plus 2 minus 12. What answer do you get? Minus 10. Okay, so minus 10x. Then xy over y square. Minus 7y square, and is there any other term? No. So minus 7y square will remain as it is. Then y, 2y and 21y. Both are plus, so there will be addition 23y. And constant is only 1, minus 6. Answer minus 6. Okay. So what you can do? You can write this in ascending or descending order of exponents. This minus 7y take here, y square, sorry, minus 3xy, minus 10x, plus 23y, minus 6. This will be your answer. Understood? Then see 18th one. Okay, first these two right here. Let us say 18th one here. 18th one example is two x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 into x minus 5. Okay. So here 3 expressions are there. Even though don't worry, first we will solve these two and we will multiply these first two and later on we will multiply third one with the result of these two. Okay. So see, first term 2x in bracket multiply by second bracket plus 3 multiply by second bracket. Okay. This bring as it is down, third expression bring as it is down. Okay, is equal to 2x into 3x. 2 3s are 6. X into x square. Then 2x into minus 2. 2 2s are minus 4 x. Fine. 3 3s are 9x plus 9x and plus 3 minus 2 minus 6. Understood? So this will be in what term? Okay. multiply by x minus y. Here see, these are like terms, so you can do operation with them. 6x square as it is, minus 4x plus 9x. What remains? Plus 5x minus 6 into x minus 5. Now see, here we have got trinomial and this binomial. Let us multiply them. Okay, I am writing as it is. This first I am writing this binomial and then trinomial. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, is equal to, as usual again, x first term of the first bracket multiply by second bracket minus second term of the first bracket multiply by again second bracket. Okay, understood? Let's multiply x into 6x square, 6x cube. Fine. X into plus 5x plus 5x square, and x into minus 6 minus 6x. Then minus 5 into 6x square, 5 6 are 30 minus 30x square, minus 5 into plus 5x, 5 5 are 25 minus 25x, and minus 6 into minus 5 into minus 6 plus 30. Fine, is equal to, which are like terms, x square, 5x square and minus 30x square. Then this 6x and minus 25x. Okay, so remaining right as it is. Plus 5x square minus 30x square. Plus minus, there will be subtraction. 30 minus 5, 25, but 30 is greater, it has negative sign, so minus 25 x square. Okay, then this over, then see, minus 6x and minus 25x, both are like terms. Okay, with the same literal coefficient. So minus there will be addition. 25 plus 6, 31, but minus 30. Okay, x, finish, and plus 30. So this is your answer. So write this now 3 examples in your notebook. Few more examples we will see in this exercise 5C. See now example number 19. Simplify 3x minus 4 into 2x square minus 5x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 in bracket 3x square plus 7x minus 5. Okay, so this we have to simplify. First, see, two parts are there. On this side one part, this side one part, and at the end we will multiply this trinomial with this binomial, this trinomial with this binomial. We will multiply, and at the end we will subtract. Okay, so be careful with this subtraction sign. Let's multiply as usual. 3x multiply by this bracket, 2x square minus 5x plus 1. Okay, minus 4 multiply by this bracket. Over, then write this minus sign here. Minus, and give here bracket. 2x minus 3x square, into 3x square plus 7x minus 5 minus second term of that bracket minus 1 into 3x square plus 7x minus 5. Okay, then see, 3x into 2x square, 6x cube, 3 into minus 5 minus 15, x into x square, 3 into 1 3 plus 3 and x. Okay, then minus 4 into 2 minus 8x square, minus 4 into minus 5x, minus plus 20x, and minus 4 plus 1 minus 4. minus 4 into plus 1 minus 4, okay, minus now this 2 3s are 6x cube plus 2 7s are 14x square and 2 minus 5 minus 10 in x, okay, over. Now minus 1 into 3 minus 3x square minus 7x minus minus plus 5. Finished? If like terms are there, add them. 6x cube. See, minus 15x square and minus 8x square both are negative, so there will be addition. 15 plus 8 23, so minus 23x square plus 3x and plus 20x plus 23x, okay, and minus 4. Now in the bracket this minus here 6x cube plus 14x square and minus 3x square. These are like terms, so let us operate them. Plus 14 minus 3 becomes minus 11x square. Sorry, plus 11x square. Okay, 14 is greater, it has plus sign, so plus 11x square. Then minus 10x and minus 7x, minus 17x plus 5. Okay, finished. Now what to do? You know, we have found the product of both these two and these two. So let us now subtract them. Okay. Now see, minus sign is out of this bracket. So first let us remove the bracket. 6x cube minus 23x square plus 23x minus 4 minus into plus minus 6x cube minus into plus minus 11x square minus into minus plus minus minus plus 17x minus into plus minus 5. Okay. Now see, this 6x cube and this minus 6x cube, this plus 6x cube and this minus 6x cube, both are opposite to each other, it will get cut. Then minus 23x square minus 11x square, these are like terms, so both are negative. Minus minus gets added, so 23 plus 11 34, answer minus 34x square. Fine. Then 23x and 17x both are positive, get added. 23 plus 17 becomes 40 plus 40x, and then minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. So 34x square plus 40x minus 9. This is the answer of this. Okay. Again pause this video and write this example in your notebook. Let us see now higher order thinking skills question. See MCQ, multiple choice question 20 and 21. You have to solve by yourself. Okay. Let us see higher order thinking skill question. Question number 22. What it is? If x plus 4 into x plus 1, x plus 4 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the value of x? So here at the end, first we have to simplify, then at the end we have to find value of x. Okay. Once again check the example, x plus 4 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. So let us simplify first. X into second bracket plus 4 into second bracket, okay, minus x into second bracket minus 1 into second bracket is equal to 0. Okay, x into x square, x into 1 x plus 4 into x 4x plus 4 into 1 4. Okay, minus x into x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x. Then minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2 is equal to 0. Fine. Next, like terms, x square, see this, x plus 4x, 5x. This 1x and plus 4x, total 5x, plus 4. Okay. Then here in bracket, this x square, minus 2x, minus x, total minus 3x. Okay, plus 2. Now remove the bracket, x square plus 5x plus 4 minus into this plus x square, minus minus plus 3x minus plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Understood? Now see here also there are like terms x square and minus x square. See, x square and minus x square gets cut. Like terms and opposite to each other gets cut. 5x and plus 3x becomes 8x. Okay? Plus 4 and minus 2. Positive, negative gets subtracted. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Greater is 4, so plus 2 is equal to 0. Don't forget this 0. Now see, what to do? We have to find value of x. So how to do? Using rule of transposition. First let us transpose 2 on the right side. So here remain 8x. This plus 2 when it comes on the right side, it becomes 0 minus 2. That is 8x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to what? Minus 2 upon 8. These 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So x is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay? Then example number 23. Horse question it is also. See here. Pay attention carefully. Write a polynomial that represents the product of 3 consecutive odd integers. Consecutive odd integers. Write a polynomial that represents the product. Product means multiplication. Product of 3 consecutive odd integers, that the first one being 2x minus 1. Okay. 3 odd consecutive integers are there. So we have to write their product, polynomial for their product. Okay. So see. Since the first odd integer is, what is first odd integer they have given? What is that? 2x minus 1. Okay, total 3 odd integers are there and they are consecutive. You know, consecutive means in sequence, in line. And these are odd, odd numbers. First odd number is suppose 1, next is 3, then 5. So what is difference between? These are consecutive odd numbers. Then 7, then 9, right? These are consecutive odd numbers. Between them, there are even numbers. So these are consecutive odd numbers. So what is difference between them? 1 plus 2, right? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2. So between them, there is difference of 2, right? So suppose this is considered as a first odd integer. Then what will be second? So the second odd integer is equal to what? This is considered as a first. Then what will be second? What we need to add in that? 2, correct? So 2x minus 1 plus 2. In this we need to add 2. Then we get second consecutive odd integer, right? So here is equal to 2x minus 1 plus 2 minus plus 1, correct? So 2x plus 1. This minus 1 plus 2 we have operated. Minus plus minus, so 2 minus 1, 1, greater is 2, it has plus sign, so plus 1. Okay? Then the third odd integer will be what? First one, this second one we have obtained by adding 2. We want third one. Then what number we need to add in the first? 2 plus 2, that is 4. है ना? In 1, when we will add 4, we will get 5, right? So in this first one, we need to add 4. Then we will get third one, consecutive odd integer. So here 2x minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so in this way we have obtained 3 consecutive odd integers. Now what we have to do? We have to find their product. So their product is equal to multiply them 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3. Okay? Multiply. Now first multiply this, later on third one. So 2x multiply by second bracket 2x plus 1 minus 1 multiply by second bracket 2x plus 1. Second last third bracket take as it is equal to 2 2s are 4, x into x square plus 2 1s are 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 x minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 into third bracket. Then see now, are there like terms? Yes, these 2 and sorry here 2x into 1 2x. Okay, so see plus 2x and minus 2x got cancelled. Same terms opposite to each other. Like terms opposite to each other get cancelled. So remain here 4x square minus 1. Okay, and here 2x plus 3. Now let us multiply this 4x square into second bracket minus 1 into second bracket. That is 4 2s are 8, x square into x cube, 4 3s are 12 x square, minus 1 into 2x minus 2x, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Finish. 8x cube plus 12x square minus 2x minus 3. See, it is exactly the polynomial in one variable. So we have obtained polynomial by finding the product of 3 odd consecutive integers. Okay. So I hope you have understood this concept. If you have any doubt in this, we will discuss during problem solving period. Till that, solve all the remaining examples from this exercise. So thank you and have a good day.